Hi everybody. So last week we learned about the analog clock and telling time on the analog clock. So this is what an analog clock looks like, in case you forgot. And if you remember that the shorter hand is the hour hand, okay? And so these numbers right here show what hour it is. The longer hand is the minute hand, okay? So here it's not 11:03. Right? We have to count by fives to figure out what the minute is. So we start, 12 is 0 for the minutes, 5, 10, 15. So if the long hand is pointed towards the 3, that means it's 11:15. So you have to be really careful and really remember that when you're doing your activity today, that it's not going to show the minutes anymore. We're taking that away. Now you need to figure out what the minutes are, okay, by counting by fives. So keep that in mind. Our new objective today is elapsed time. So you guys, we're going to be focusing on what time is it, if some time is past, or what time will it be? So you'll be given two questions. What time will it be, like in 5 minutes? Or what time was it 5 minutes ago? Okay, so there's two different questions that we'll be focusing on today. Here is our objective. We will be able to find the elapsed time, so time that has gone by on an analog clock. Okay, so remember, elapsed means time that has gone by. Okay, so let me erase that real quick. Here is our analog clock. And I am going to put a time on the analog clock here. Let's say that it is 2:15. So my hour hand, my shorter hand is pointed towards 2, and my minute hand is pointed towards 3, which means it's 15, right? Counted by fives, and I landed on 15. Okay, so let's say that 20 minutes. What time will it be in 20 minutes? So that's my elapsed time. What time will it be in 20 minutes? Well, to figure that out, I am going to use a very simple strategy of counting by fives until I get to 20, okay? So we'll start at the 3. We're gonna go 5, 10, 15, 20. So now my minute hand is pointed at 7. So now what time is it? Well, it's 2, and if I was to count by fives all the way until I hit 7, that would be 35. So my new time is 2:35. So I'm going to put that in digital form, 2:35. Let's try another one. Our start time here is going to be 7:30. Okay, so my minute hand is going to point towards the 6 because that is the minutes is 30. So let's say that 30, what time will it be in 30 minutes? So that's the elapsed time. What time will it be in 30 minutes? Remember what our strategy is? We're going to count by fives until we get to 30. Ready? Starting at 6, we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ooh, I got all the way to 12. What does that mean? Does anybody know? It means we're starting a new hour, right? We're starting a new hour. So we are now at 8 o'clock. So our digital time would look like this, 8 o'clock. All right. Now let's practice. Those two we just did was, what time will it be? Now we're going to go backwards. What time was it? So this is in the past, right? What time was it? So let's say our time is, oops, that's not very good line there. Let's say it is 9:30. What time was it 15 minutes ago? What time was it 15 minutes ago? That means I have to go backwards, right? I need to know what time it was in the past 15 minutes ago. Same strategy. You're going to count by fives. You ready? 5, 10, 15. All right, so that means that it was 9:15. Not too bad, right? All right. Let's say our starting time here is 5:45. What time was it 30 minutes ago? What time was it 30 minutes ago? What's our strategy? Counting by fives until we hit 30, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What's my new time? Well, my new time is 5:15. That's how much time it was 30 minutes ago. And that's it in digital form. Okay. What time will it be in 30 minutes? We're going to do 30 minutes again. Ready? What time will it be in 30 minutes? If you see, my short hand and my long hand are overlapping. That means it's 9:45. Okay, 9:45. Or actually, it would look like this. Probably be a little bit closer to the 10 because it's getting close to a new hour. So, 9:45. What time will it be in 30 minutes? Okay, let's count by fives and see what we land on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So my new time, we know the minutes is 15, but I passed the 12. That means we have a new hour, right? So that is going to be pointed at 10 now, because now it's not 9 o'clock anymore. It's now 10 o'clock. So the elapsed time here is 10:15. All right. Let's practice one more of those, and then I will have you guys do your boom card activity. Okay, now let's do 9. Let's do 9. Let's do 8 because we just did 9. 8 is the hour. And see, we're getting really close to 9, but we're not there yet. Let's do 8:50. What time will it be in 10 minutes? Okay, let's count by fives. 5, 10. Okay, my new minute hand is pointed at 5 minutes, but now I've passed the 12, right? So I have a new hour here. So it's not 8 o'clock anymore. It is now 9 o'clock. So my new time is 9:05. All right, guys. So that is what you guys are going to be doing today. Remember, read it very, very carefully. It's going to tell you what time will it be or what time was it. So that's where it's going to get tricky. You need to pay close attention to what the question is asking you. Good luck with this activity. If you need help, please come to the help group and we are happy to help you guys.